Welcome back YouTube, VST here, Venice Tech. Samsung released a new update for the Clockface. Alright, the version is 22390, released on the 9th of June, 81 megabytes. 81 megabytes, actually you might think a lot of things, besides of course the obvious bug fixes and etc. But no, this time they are updating the Clockface library. If you're not familiar with Clockface, then I need to tell you what GoodLock is, and if you're not familiar with GoodLock, you probably check these videos here. If you cannot install GoodLock on your device because I don't know why it's still regionally locked, there are options. There is a patch GoodLock version, you can use VPNs to download the proper one. You can check these videos here, guys. So, opening GoodLock and inside opening Clockface, which is now the latest version. Every time you do access the Clockface module, you have the option to go and choose the clock style for the always on display or the lock screen. Let's go for the always on display. This here is Clockface, and all these beautiful faces are available for you to be used on your always on display and even on your lock screen. And now let's try to check the new one. I think they start from here. Honestly, all the ones that have these very busy elements, and even some of them like this one here, guys, it's 8 past 10, or even the circular ones will be something that I will not go with. Why? Because I want to have just very quick glance at my phone and get something like this. Yeah, that's a joke, I even don't understand it, but probably something like this or even something like this. But take a look on these beautiful faces. Now Samsung really did a fantastic job. They added so many of them, and that's always a problem because, you know, if you have only one option, you'd go with this. If you have 3 options, then it's a bit easier, but then you have like thousands of options, then you start scratching your head and thinking, yeah, what should I use? And you know what? You can change them every day and still get a new face for probably the next 2 months. So now let's have a look. I'm just gonna scroll down a bit so that you can get a good glance at this. This one is, by the way, very nice. It kind of mimics a virtual cockpit from a modern fancy car, not the type that I drive, because I'm driving a 20-something years BMW. Hey, bicycle here again, like a car cockpit whatsoever. Circular ones, the ones for the mustache and beard fans, then some for the control freaks that want to see the time, the date, and etc. Some things from the calendar. Then some would like to have some customization, some nice flowers there, the moon. Then again, if you want to play a fancy guy, you know, get a watch on your phone, which honestly I'm not sure what you want to do. So if that's your thing, just go and use it. This one is nice. This one is also very nice. Again, some circular shapes, and then at the end we have here some, I think that's, I'm not sure the language, but if that's your thing, use it. And guys, here, I mean, it's 8 past 10. This here is very interesting. Let me just try to put it on my phone. This is the best. Nothing, I just tap it and it's 14 to 2. This one is, I think this one is good, you know, it's kind of different, but then again it contradicts what I said in the beginning. I just want to have a very quick glance at my phone and then immediately understand what is happening. So this one maybe, or this one will be just ideal for me. Let me just try that one. I'm just testing right now, guys, for the video to see how this will look on my phone. Oh, wow, and they're also animated, by the way. So see here, one more time. And yep, we have this beautiful animation. Okay, I was not aware. Oh, okay, yeah. I think it's a subtle animation font. Okay, this one, but just for the sake of the video, testing this. Oh, all right. I will have to probably take my words back, right? This one is fancy. Yep, cool. Look at this one more time, guys, all right? I'm just going to put the phone a bit closer. Boom, and now the lighting. Yeah, you get the idea, guys. There are really plenty of options, and don't forget, every time you do access Clockface, you'll need to make a choice if you want to modify the always on display or the lock screen. Now let's just try to apply one on my lock screen, and this time I'm gonna go completely random. Yeah, no, this one I use. Okay, one more time, this. Okay, let's use that one. So now on my lock screen, tap one more time to get the fancy animation. Now put the phone on and I get this on my lock screen. And also, guys, something very important. If you're not happy with what you see in terms of default presets, you have an icon, yeah, this plus here, and absolutely right, you would imagine it will do something funny, and yes, it does. Once you click on these, guys, you're going to be able to choose all kind of shapes, colors, and etc dial. So you are really presented with this option. And if you have a Galaxy Watch, you can connect it and use Clockface to change also the clock face on your watch. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If that's the case, like it, subscribe to the channel, guys. This will be really much appreciated. Please, you and your family stay safe until we meet in one of my next episodes. And with that said, VST over and bye.